Hi everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to use ClockTo application for your business. If you want to know how to create a new shift, this tutorial is just what the doctor ordered. So let's get started. Okay, now we have the store, employees and roles. Let's create a shift. From the left side menu, click on the schedule menu under the management section. You have to have a schedule shift permission to see this menu. To create a shift, simply click on the calendar box for the day and employee you want to create a shift for. If you still haven't decided about the employees, you can assign the shift to an OpenShift employee. After you click on the calendar box, you'll see a right sidebar to create a custom shift or repeat a shift template. We still don't have any shift template, so let's create a custom shift. Every shift needs a title, start time, end time, and role. The employee and date are already selected for you when you click on the calendar. Last but not least, you may want to save this shift as a template, so you can use it later. To do so, select the Save as Shift Template checkbox. Finally, you can create this shift or create and publish it at the same time, but we just created. Great! Your new shift has been created. Before moving on, note on top there is a Publish button. This button is used to publish the schedule to the employees. If you don't publish the schedule, it is not final yet and has a draft status with a gray dot. There is another way to publish the shift. Click on the draft shift. Then you will see a right sidebar. From here, click on the Publish button. After publishing the shift, its status turns into published. That has been shown with an orange dot, and the employees get notified and they can see their shifts on their mobile app. And you need to wait for employees to confirm or drop that shift. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and be with us through ClockTo journey.